Over the years, we've become a nation that loves quesadillas. But for one reason or another, many of us hardly ever make them at home. I think we would if we simply thought of them as a fancied up grilled cheese made on a tortilla rather than bread. As for the filling, that can be anything from macaroni and cheese to a caramel apple version oozing with goodness. You get the idea. Our new favorite is to make them buffalo style, like we're doing today. All we do is lay out a few tortillas, and on one half we pile on some shredded mozzarella, a good amount of buffalo chicken strips that we've chopped up, and a bit of diced celery. We place them on a hot butter griddle or skillet, and once the cheese melts, we fold it in half. It only takes a few minutes, and when the filling's hot, it's done. These are just as good for a fill-you-up supper as they are for munching on after school or while watching a game. So here's what I suggest. Go online and get the recipe for our Buffalo Chicken Quesadillas. This way, you can enjoy the best of both worlds in one melty treat. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a cheesy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.